Hello everyone and welcome to yet another tutorial of mine. Today I'm gonna show you how to activate the little last scene thingy on Roblox because I don't know if it was here or not before, but I can clearly remember it being here. So let's just begin. What you want to do is write in BT Roblox. Now it depends on what you use. If you use Chrome, you click on this one. If you use Firefox, you click on this one and you just search for whatever browser you are using. I already downloaded mine, as you can see with these little, I don't know, thingies. You have, basically you click on extensions and here you can see everything. I want my dark theme or sky theme or red theme, whatever you do you. Let's see. Here, show last online. You activate it and you have to, I don't know, write whatever person you want. And it will tell you. Last online 14 years ago. Holy heck, dude. So, yeah, I hope I helped. Have a good day. Goodbye.